Hello guys, so today we are going to look at SQL map. So let's do SQL map, that is help to see its parameter, and let's open it tab over here and curl. Then we have our IP address. So this is a wave form, so we can see it has a method of post, and it takes an input as text, and it has an ID of message. So we can, so this is kind of simple, but we are going through this tool, so we can do SQL map dash u for URL. So let's paste that. Then we can do is let's dump it, right? No, let's see all the database. So this is a form, so form. Okay, then do you want to test this form? Yes. Do you want to edit? So leave it as blank. And do you want to fill? Yes. Yes. Do you want to exploit it? Yes. So this is for now. So here you can see we have a post method which is vulnerable to boolean based blind. So it's a query, so a payload should look like this. And next one is error based, another one is time based blind. So it has this payload. And next what we can do is we can exploit it. Let's do form, then let's do space, then let's see our current DB for current database, and let's dump it. Do you want to test this form? Yes. Do you want to edit, leave it as blank? Do you want to okay, let's do yes, and exploit yes. So it has exploited it successfully. From here we can see it test. So first of all, it is testing the database name. So it did brute force and found the database name as a test, and it has a table. It has 2 entry, and another one is table 1 entry. So this is how you use the SQL map. Thank you.